After light snow comes heavy snow, and only one of the 24 solar terms remains. The winter sun is poetry, is a painting, is the crescent moon floating on the face. The lazy, warm wind rides on a long melody, whispering in my ears. In a daze, the whole world turns into a castle, and I grow up slowly in the castle. There was a saying that deeply resonated with me. What are the 3 priorities in your life? I instinctively answered parents, partner, and friends, but forgot about myself. I want to give myself a gap day, spending 6 days living a relaxed life. Autumn harvest and winter storage. During the beginning of winter, the body needs special nourishment. Recently, I've developed a fondness for that, as the sense of health it brings from within cannot be replaced by even the most expensive skincare products. The bright white special formula on the left is to take good care of the skin's foundation. Everything in this season is soft and fluffy, and the chestnuts of this season are the most healing ingredients for me, especially the candied chestnuts that need time to settle. Among them, maintaining a beautiful taste memory of certain foods actually stems from the scarcity of those food resources and a nostalgia for the passage of time. Drink a cup rich in vitamin C from French coastal pine extract, the beautiful water with arbutin, effortlessly keeping track of wellness. Even while still feeling anxious about time, there is a quiet improvement. For a delicious treat that you can enjoy right away, let's make a cream cake roll with the leftover chestnuts. First, separate the egg yolks from the egg whites and add a tea bag to the milk, bringing it to a slight boil. After cooling, pour in the vegetable oil and mix until creamy, ensuring no large oil droplets are visible on the surface. Then sift the low gluten flour and add it to the egg yolks, stirring in a V shape to avoid gluten formation. Add lemon juice to the egg whites, gradually adding sugar in 3 portions while whipping until soft peaks form. Then add it to the egg yolk mixture and gently fold everything together until well combined. Pour into the baking tray, ensuring the edges are fully covered. Place in the oven and bake at 155 degrees for 25 minutes. Quickly remove the baking tray after inputting and use the steam to cut a diagonal slice at one end, then place the cooked chestnuts inside. Then cover it with a thick layer of cream. Roll it up in one go, pressing the edges tightly, then use a fixer to secure it and freeze. After 30 minutes, take it out and cut it into pieces. You can also use the failed cake to make a less authentic Mont Blanc. Finally, pair it with my bright white drink. That segment for this month is completed in advance.